Do you want to do this?
My sinful confession, you're my obsession.
Basically, find out your belting. And then do the mouth shape that you are eating some cookies. Just like this. With the soft palato. And then switch for the falsetto. So then you go for the myself of confession. And then switch again for the belting. And then go right back to the falsetto. You're my obsession. And do some vibratos. Imagine that you are SpongeBob. And do with the falsetto. You're my obsession. And then you're gonna go for the yell scream. If you want to learn more about distortion and clean vocals, check my channel. Hope you like it.